Good morning, students. How are you? Today we are here to learn about future indefinite and its use. Future indefinite. It is also called simple future. So for the first time, I want to define what is future indefinite tense. Question is that what is future indefinite tense? Its definition is that the form of a verb which indicates that an action will take place in future is said to be in future indefinite. Such as I shall go, Ram will come. In this sentence, the action of going is not taking place at present, it will take place in future. In second sentence, the action of coming is not taking place at present, it will take place in future. Means the form of a verb which indicates that an action will take place in future is said to be in future indefinite. So whenever we notice that action is not taking place at present, it does not take place at present, it will take place in future. In such case, we have to use future indefinite tense in order to describe such action. Let's study about the use of future indefinite. I mean simple future. Use of simple future. Simple future is used first to talk about thing which we cannot control. It also expresses future as facts, such as I shall be 20 next week. मीन्स अगले सप्ताह मैं 20 साल का हो जाऊंगा. So becoming 20 is an action and it cannot be controlled. Becoming 20 is also a state it cannot be controlled by human beings. Such action which cannot be controlled by human being is said to be in future indefinite. Next example, it will be Friday next day, means अगले दिन फ्राइडे होगा. Becoming Friday is an action and it cannot be controlled. So in this case, future indefinite is used. Next, future indefinite, I mean simple future is used to talk about what we think or believe will happen in future, such as I think you will get a first class. Means here I think, I believe, I expect. When we use such word in next clause, future indefinite is used. So here you will get a first class is in future indefinite. Means when we talk about what we think, what we believe will happen in future, in order to such action we use future indefinite. Next, when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. I mean future indefinite is used when we decide to do something at the time of speaking, such as it is raining. I shall take an umbrella with me. Means when it is raining, we decide at the time of speaking, and in such case future indefinite is used. Means at the time of speaking the decision is taken by the subject I to carry an umbrella with him. So in such case future indefinite is used when we decide to do something in future at the time of speaking. Next, he is busy all right. I shall wait. In such case, means when I is reported about him to be busy, subject I decide to wait. I mean, this decision is taken by the subject I at the time of reporting. So in this case, future indefinite is used. Next, in order to describe future action, going to plus base of the verb is also used. I mean, going to plus base of the verb also used in order to describe future time action. But it is used when we have decided to do something before talking about it. Means हम लोग गोइंग टू प्लस बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब का प्रयोग फ्यूचर एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए तब करते हैं जब हम पहले से डिसीजन ले लेते हैं किसी काम को करने के लिए। किसी काम को करने के लिए उसी समय डिसीजन नहीं लेते हैं, हम डिसीजन पहले ले लेते हैं। तो ऐसे एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए हम गोइंग टू प्लस बेस ऑफ द वर्ब का प्रयोग करते हैं इन ऑर्डर टू डिस्क्राइब फ्यूचर एक्शन। बट व्हेन we decide at the time of speaking, we don't use this form. Okay? When we have decided earlier that an action will take place in future, in order to explain, in order to describe such action, going to plus base of the verb is used. Such as have you decided what to do? Yes, I am going to break friendship with him. Means the subject I have already decided to break friendship with him. The decision is not taken at the time of speaking. It is already taken by the subject I. In such case, going to form plus base of the verb is used. Fine. Such as going to plus base form of the verb is also used. going to plus base of the verb is also used for an action which is on the point of happening, such as let's get into the train. It is going to start. Means the action of starting is on the point of happening. In such case, going to plus base of the verb is used. Here, base of the verb means original form of the verb. In this place, we can also use about to. We can rewrite the sentence. It is about to start. We can also write. Next, future indefinite is also used. Note, future indefinite is also used in the clauses of time and of condition and it is always introduced by subordinate adverb clause, such as if you work hard, you will get a first class. Here there is a condition. If work is done harder, the position of first will be obtained by you. Otherwise, it is not possible for you. In such case, future indefinite is used. If you work hard, it is a subordinate clause of condition and it is adverb clause. Means when in adverb clause present indefinite is used, in principal clause future indefinite must be used. Otherwise, sentence may go wrong. Fine. Let's discuss the structure of future indefinite. The structure of future indefinite form: affirmative, subject plus shall will plus given plus object, such as I shall go. Its negative structure: subject plus shall or will plus not plus given plus object, such as I shall not go. Its interrogative structure: shall or will plus subject plus given plus object plus question mark, such as shall I go. Its interrogative and negative structure: interrogative plus negative structure, shall or will plus subject plus not plus given plus object plus question mark, such as shall I not go? Question marks. Question word plus shall or will plus subject plus given plus object plus question mark. When shall I go? And its last structure: question word plus negative. Question word plus shall or will plus subject plus not plus given plus object plus question marks, such as when shall I not go? Thank you.